beautiful day, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is. I don't know what time you're watching this, but hey girl! Today's video is all about natural deodorant. I tried natural deodorant for several months. I tried roll-on one. Wow, I tried literally this entire thing for a few months. Like, as you can see, the insides of it are shattered and gone because I was like dipping in it just to use it. Oh, first of all, my name is Onika. Hey girl, hey! My hat is coming off. My hat is coming off. Oh, how dare you! Thank you so very much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications as well. I used to use Secret. Secret was my jam. I was using Secret since college days. There's just been a lot of stories that I heard about Secret, a lot of things that I heard about non-natural deodorant causing different things to happen to the body, such as cancer, etc., etc. And if I don't need to use something, I'm okay with stopping, you know? Especially when we have natural alternatives, like why not stop and choose something natural and see how that works for your body? For some people, natural deodorant makes them stink. That's what I've heard from some people. From others, it does something different. Who knows? I don't know. But girl, I tried I don't know if you call this the bar one or what do you call the stick deodorant? So I tried like the stick one. I might be using wrong terminology, girl. I'm just like you. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. We in this together, okay? I tried the stick one that you roll up at the bottom, and it would keep me fresher than Secret. Fresher than any non-natural deodorant that I've ever had my entire life. But here was my problem. I would have sweat dripping. Like when I say dripping, it would just be dripping down my body. Like sweat would just be dripping. And my skin was peeling. I tried this for like 3 months. It lasted me like 3 months. My skin was peeling. Also, my armpits were like peeling a little bit. And I was just like, yeah, I want to do natural. I like how I feel fresh and clean, like, you know, smell wise, but I don't like how I'm like staining all of my clothes in the armpit area, no matter what I'm doing. And I work out a lot, so the problem, ooh, faces beat. Ooh, faces beat though. I just caught a look at my monitor. Faces beat. It was just a lot to deal with, you know. By the way, sorry about the lighting. I'm filming from a hotel room. I'm using natural light, and the sunlight literally went away. So we're just using whatever the Lord is giving us at this point. My natural deodorant of choice is what my girl from the gym recommended to me. Schmidt's is the natural deodorant that I've been trying. Bergamont and lime. So that's the stick one. And then I was telling her, like, girl, it makes me drip, sweat down the armpit, down the arm, down the body. Like, what's up? And she was like, girl, try the jar one. The jar one of Schmidt's. I might be saying that wrong. Schmidt. The jar one of the Schmidt deodorant might be better for you, yada, 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 right? So I ordered the jar one from Amazon. And by the way, I bought this stick one from Ulta. So you can always find this at Ulta. You don't have to go to Amazon like I did. But for the jar one, I went to Amazon. And I think Ulta also has the jar as well. So I went to Amazon, tried it out. I've been using this for 2 months now. Still have quite a bunch left. But I'm up to like right here. So I'm halfway through 2 months later. And it comes with a scooper where you just scoop it out with it. You just like apply, you put it on your hands, it warms up in your fingers, and then you apply it on your armpits. Or you can probably use this. I wonder if you could just use the scooper to apply. I never did that before because I feel like it has to like dissolve a little bit in your fingers. It doesn't dissolve on the scooper. But I think that would have been great if we had something to apply with instead of our fingers. First ingredient for the jar is shea butter, arrowroot powder, then baking soda, cocoa butter, bergamot essential oil, etc., etc. The stick one has a different ingredients in it. The stick one is made out of arrowroot powder being the first ingredient, not shea butter as this one. Then baking soda, then coconut oil, then shea butter and jojoba seed oil, etc., etc., etc. But this one does not make me sweat like crazy, but it doesn't leave me as fresh as the stick deodorant. Fresh and so clean, but I feel like with this I can feel fresh for days if I wanted to. But this one, it's like, oh no girl, you gotta reapply. By the nighttime I might have to reapply, you know what I mean? But this one, you can wake up the next day and be like, wow, I'm still mad fresh and so clean. Like, what's up? This is my experience using natural deodorant. That's what happened when I use natural deodorant. Both of these still leave me super fresh and cleaner feeling than Secret. So it's still worth it. and I feel safe. The coolest part to me is that the first ingredient is shea butter. I don't know if you know this, but I've been using shea butter on my body exclusively for, like, instead of lotion, I use shea butter. I've been doing that for about 7 years now or so. At least 7 years. I like that the deodorant that I use has the first ingredient listed as shea butter because that's something that my body is familiar with. I know this is probably like the shortest video I've ever made, but I've been trying this out 3 months with the stick one and then 2 months with this one right after. I stopped using this 2 months right after. So it's been 5 months of me trying natural deodorant. So I tried natural deodorant for 5 months and these are my results. I just wanted to tell you my experience with it, and if you want to go the natural way just to make sure you're healthier or to protect your future health, you can try it as well if you want. If you don't want to, don't. Stick to using Secret or whatever else that you use. Don't try natural stuff out of pressure because everybody else is doing it. Try it because you've done your research and you see that for yourself it's a better alternative. But don't just do it because everybody else is doing it or because somebody else or whoever is trying to tell. Like, do it for yourself. Do it because you did the research yourself and you feel like it's worth it. You want to try something new for your body. You know what I mean? But yeah, I really appreciate and love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and also check out my other videos somewhere over here. Love you. Thank you. Oh, the lighting is being weird again. Oh gosh. Girl. Bye guys. Bye.